I know His Excellency Chancellor Sir, out of his busy schedule, he took some time out for us, but I will take this liberty, although it's not in the schedule, I will take this liberty to invite His Excellency for his few words. Please, His Excellency Chancellor Sir.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. President Professor Nasir Siddiqui Sahab, Musharraf Ali Sahab, all distinguished members of the Alumni Association of Jamia Hamdard in Saudi Arabia. Sorry to barge in. I am indebted to Dr. Khurshid Sahab for inviting me to this launching of the web portal. And this gives me an opportunity on the eve of Hakim Sahab's birthday to share some words with you and to interact with you. It is indeed, I'm extremely glad to have joined this and seen the strength of the alumni in Saudi Arabia. I'm sure everyone is well settled there, and so we have at Jamia Hamdard, we have not yet leveraged the potential of the alumni, and I'm sure there is a lot of play there. Of all our organizations, be it Hamdard Laboratories, which is the business arm, Hamdard National Foundation, Business Employment Bureau, which is the skill development part, and Jamia Hamdard. I'm extremely glad to tell you that the most where we are seeing the best growth is in Jamia Hamdard. And that is in terms of funding which is coming in through the government, the number of students which are interested and have got admission, the interest from the government. We are getting unparalleled support from the government of India as well. But the only issue is that whatever we do, it appears to be very less. The education in India is not cheap anymore. The students which are coming in and who we want to support do not have resources to pursue higher education. And that's exactly where I want support from the alumni. I'm sure that the leadership of the alumni will interact with the Vice Chancellor and come out with ways to help these students who need help in India to further progress their careers. These students really need a lot of help. You can go to Hamdard National Foundation's website, which is hamdardfoundation.in, and see what we have been doing in Hamdard National Foundation. And we have partnered with the government. We have given scholarships, fellowships, and done whatever we could. But I'm sure that any additional input from the alumni would only help these students, the purpose for which Jamia Hamdard stands. Thank you again, everyone, and I'm sure that this portal will also be helpful for all the students. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your wise words and advice for all of us. We actually are really very grateful, and we are indebted to both His Excellency Chancellor Sir and Vice Chancellor Sir to be with us in this occasion. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.